My financial life and my life really has been shaped since I'm younger, but I think that critical moment of moving to New York and driving up here from Florida to New York in a car with a computer and I think a garbage bag of clothes in the back. I had no idea what I wanted to do. I had no idea where my career would take me. And I was really confused. And the truth is I had like $300 to my name. And that learning, and when I go back and I think about this all the time, is like where I came from and how I achieved what I have achieved in my life. I think a lot about a few things. One is discipline. I had to be really disciplined to take some of the advice I just gave you about saving, which is advice that was given to me, to put money away on a regular basis. And also, to be honest, working my ass off, which has been something that I've been doing since I moved to New York. And I don't take anything for granted, because at the end of the day, I'm probably still the same guy that was driving up in that car